Hey y'all, hey, so I am back. I am here to do a pretty much just a review over this hair that I have tried out. I actually had the hair in for about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. It's a really good hair. But I also wanted to show you guys my braid pattern. I got this braid pattern from Mary Kay Bella. Shout out to her. I did mine just a little bit different. However, it's pretty much all overall the same concept as what she did. So here's my braid pattern. Here. I don't remember how she did hers in the back, but this is how I did mine because I'm going to wear my hair up in a ponytail. And yeah, that's it. Now the hair is by Zury, and it is the V-shape finish style, V 9, 10, and 11, which means the 9, 10, and 11 inch. Passion twist. They're short, but I like it. And it says 1 pack is enough. It is. You just have to know where to place your hair and how far to space your hair out. So Mary Kay Bella is pretty much where I go for my spacing and everything. I watch her a lot. And yeah, this is what the packaging will look like. I got mine from my local beauty supply. It came with 105 twists in it. So this package would have all the hair you need. You won't have to buy multiple. This here is the hair, and I'm actually getting ready to reuse this hair. I put it in some hot water with conditioner, and I'm just gonna reuse it. Yeah, so I will come back with the finished look. The first time I did my hair, I actually did it with the shortest in the back. No, I did it with the longest in the back, shortest at the front. This time I'm gonna switch it up and do the shortest in the back, longest in the front, because I'm not getting the length that I want in the front. So I'm gonna try that out, and I will let you guys see the finished style. All right, my peeps, I am back, and I am finished with my hair. Don't ask me how long it took me to do my hair because I did not time it. I was just trying to get through it. So you guys see my braid pattern. This is the hair installed. Just to reiterate, I did do it from the shortest to the longest. Shortest in the back, longest in the top. And you guys see the braid pattern I used by Mary Kay Bella. These are tie back crochets right here. And you do see that I have coverage all over. Here's coverage all over. I can wear my hair this way. Good. Flip it over this way. I can pull it up here or here. This is just a straight braid back on these sides here, but it still looks good to have it up. Of course, I won't be doing this. I'm not a middle part person, but there it is in the back. And again, this hair has been reused. As you can see, it still looks really good. It's just, I love the braid pattern because it's so versatile. If you guys have any questions, you guys leave a comment down below. If you want to see the braid pattern, if you guys want to see me do the braid pattern with the tie backs, let me know. If you guys want to see me reinstall this hair, because I plan on using this hair until I can't use it anymore. Okay. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I crochet these in, comment below. Like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey y'all, hey. So this is days later. Check them out, okay? Somebody trying to be in the video. Will you quit? Days later. Let's see. Can I get it up? Can I find it? Days later. Okay. Okay. Y'all ain't know nothing about this. It's crochet. Crochet, okay. Love y'all. Peace. I just had to come days later and I got my little makeup on, okay? So I had to come a few days later and show y'all what it's looking like. I've had it up in that bun this whole time. That's pretty much how I wear it the whole time. This is my go-to. I will continue to use these until they can't be used no more, and then I'm probably gonna go get another pack before I reuse all these up. Yes, y'all, I love it. I love it. These long pieces, I don't know where they come from. Did I stretch them? I'm gonna have to put this one somewhere else. Kind of long. But yeah. And again, y'all, I layered these from the shortest to the back to the longest in the front, because when you do it from the shortest in the back, when you do it from the longest in the back to the shortest in the front, they're too short. This one is braid. This gonna work my nerves. That's gonna work my nerves. Here they all the way down my back. And the rest of them just, yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. But yeah, y'all, try them. I am going to do a video on how to do a full video. Y'all come on and subscribe and things so we can get these things popping, okay? All right. Peace.